All right, everyone, welcome back to another Slaburday Saturday. I'm Paul from Canadian Woodworks and Legacy Lumber, and today we're sawing up this huge Canadian Black Walnut. It was taken down locally, and the homeowners are actually here today because they want to see the process of converting their log into beautiful table slabs. So let's get right to it. Of course, I forgot about the dead battery. Hopefully I don't have to run down. Sweet. Make log go up now. Easy, easy. That's a big boy right there. All right, we roughly have the log placed on here. I'm gonna drop it down. This end needs to come back a little bit that way. That end needs to come a little bit this way. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do that now. They mentioned a 145-year-old tree. Certainly could be. I think there's going to be some metal in this tree. All right, I'm here with the homeowners. Tell us a little bit about the tree. Where did it grow?
That was right outside my back kitchen window.
In just Guelph here? Or
Fergus.
In Fergus, Ontario?
In Fergus.
Awesome. And how old do you think the tree is? Any idea?
Oh, well, I've lived there 50 years, and it was
a
good-sized tree when we moved in, so I'd say over 100.
Woo! 100-year-old tree, folks.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then Jason came, and he's the one that cut it down and arranged to, which was interesting. We had a lot of fun.
Lots of fun.
He was worried it might fall on the house because the limbs went over top of the house.
I heard it was quite the removal.
Yeah.
He was telling me about it, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you guys all found me.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside the log, eh? What do you
Yeah.
think? Cool.
Can't wait.
Let's make some sawdust. So the usual, I have the blade on from the previous log. It's still somewhat sharp. I'll always make my first cut. I'm so excited to cut the log, I can't even talk. Normal process, we just tension the blade. We're gonna make our first cut, see how sharp the blade is. If it's nice and flat, we're just gonna keep on going. But I'm super excited to see what's inside this log. I always find the older the trees, the more character and the more uniqueness they have. All right, that went smoothly. Sounded good, yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I can catch it right here, hopefully lift, and then you can get something under it anyways.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
So there's some bluing.
That is gorgeous.
Looks like it's, yeah, a little bit.
A little wobbly.
Oh.
Amazing.
Yeah. So we hit a nail on the first cut. Let's hopefully we don't hit a nail every cut. It's still cutting decent past it, so I'll probably still cut one more and we'll see how she does. I'm gonna be able to tell right away as it enters, but let's go ahead. This is a beautiful log. Check out the grain. Woo. I'm not good at the blades today, I can tell you that. Hi, I'm Paul, and this is how not to open a saw blade. Oh no. I'll get it eventually. Brand new blade on there. I think it cut like butter. We're still gonna pull each slab off because of the width and the valuability. That's not a word. I'm gonna run with that one. The value of these slabs, I want to make sure we're getting a really, really nice cut. So we're going to be pulling each one off. We're also going to drool over them. So let's throw some water on them. We're going to check out the grain. We throw water on here, it's going to give you an idea of what the wood will look like with a finish on it. And we're going to do that now. Stunning, actually.
Yeah.
And sawmilled very nicely, I must say. All right, this is the third cut, and I actually completely forgot about this, but when this log was dropped off to us, literally bees were coming out of it. So there's a honeycomb in there, and I believe we're just cutting into it. Literally while cutting it, I could smell beeswax. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see what's inside after this slab. All right, let's see what this honeycomb looks like. All right, we definitely have honeycomb. We're gonna try to leave it as intact as we can, but check that out.
Wow.
Looks like the bees have long left though. Hey, we did all right. Awesome. No, cause see, look, this, see how far the blade's like cutting into the back of my sawmill? See how, so you win some and lose some. This one log has had a lot of metal in it. This cut here specifically, so much metal, couldn't even make it through the cut. It dove down almost like an inch to an inch and a half. Surprised the blade didn't break, honestly, but it didn't make it through the cut, and we can't cut it anymore because it's like completely off of the blade guides. So now it's the fun of trying to get the saw blade out. This is gonna be a sweet one. Come in here, come on. Show the folks what they wanna see. This is what they're paying good money for. Oh yeah. Look at that. This is stunning. All right, everyone, this is the end of another Slaburday Saturday. Slightly defeated. We still have some lumber on the mill because of all the metal in this log. My saw blade's a little bound up, but what can you do? This is the name of the game when it comes to stuff like this. Especially a very old tree like this, there's bound to be metal involved in it. Hope you enjoyed another Slaburday Saturday. We certainly did. We had beautiful grains in the lumber. I think the homeowner's happy.
I'm happy.
So I always say, until next time, make it a great one. So that's what you got to say. Say it to the camera.
Make it a great one. Did I say it right?
All right, everyone. Till next time, make it a great one.